Hi guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. Now, I promised lots of you guys who follow me that I would show you all about cooking a turkey. Now, it's beginning of December, so I'm going to show you, we're going to pretend that this little baby chicken is a turkey. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I would do and how I would cook a turkey on Christmas Day, and all my top tips of how I would cook it. We're just going to imagine that it's a huge big turkey, because I don't want to be eating and cooking turkey just a few weeks before Christmas when we're going to get to enjoy it at Christmas. So what you will need is some salt and pepper, some stuffing that if you've been following me, you've already made. You'll need some streaky bacon, some sausages, chipolatas, which are optional, you don't have to have them, and of course your great big turkey. You will also need a roasting dish like this, preferably one with a lid. If you don't have a lid, don't worry about it, or if you get a huge turkey that's hanging out your roasting tin, you can just use silver foil and it'll work the same. To get started, while my hands are still clean, I'm just going to salt and pepper my turkey. Okay, just give it a little bit of salt and pepper on it. I don't often salt and pepper things, but a Christmas turkey definitely needs it, because I'm always optional that you can do it at the table. Okay, now before I touch anything else, in my dish I always like to put just a splash of hot water out of the kettle. I don't want to put the turkey in a dry dish, I just want a splash of hot water, and that's going to keep all the steam coming up and keep everything moist. Okay, I'm then going to put my chipolata sausages in the bottom. They're just going to help, they're going to cook, they'll go all soft and soggy. They won't go crisp like sausages usually, but what they're going to do is just make your turkey stay really moist and give it something, some fat just to be on as well. Okay, now you don't want to wash your turkey. It comes ready washed, so don't worry about that. All you want to do is just sit it on top of your chipolatas. Hopefully you can see that. And we're just going to work away. Okay, you are going to make sure that you've taken all your giblets and everything out. Okay, so you don't want the giblets of the neck, so just open it up and make sure that everything's taken out, the top and the bottom. Now, although I've touched this turkey, I can still touch my stuffing because I know I'm going to use it all, okay? Now, you could do two different kinds of stuffing, or you could just do the one. I'm just going to show you, just for demonstrations, just with the one. You just want to take it in a ball and stuff it in the cavity that's there. Okay, so just give it a stuff in and give it a good push down and get it all the way in. If you don't want to stuff your turkey, you don't need to. You can cook your stuffing separately, but stuffing does help keep the turkey moist again, and it gives it a really nice flavour. Okay, and then we're going to take some and stuff the other side. Now this is obviously a little baby chicken, so it's not going to take much stuffing. I'm just going to put it in like that. Try to get the skin and fold it over the stuffing. Okay, so on the turkey you'll have quite a bit of skin, so you should be able to pack it in and fold it in, and it should keep it in there. And this little bit, just because I've touched it with the chicken as well, I'm just going to put it on the top there, because we're going to have this tonight for a dinner. I'm going to stop saying chicken because I'm going to confuse you. It's turkey. Right, what you want to do with your streaky bacon, and the reason that you want streaky bacon is you want to make sure that you cover the whole bird, okay, in your streaky bacon. It's a really good way of keeping it moist. You can put some butter over the top of it as well, so you can just smear some butter on it. Then you want to start with the legs and you want to work your way around the whole chicken, okay, covering it up, just building it up as you go. Here goes. Okay guys, so that is my turkey covered in the streaky bacon. Okay, I've just laid it on and wrapped it all around. Now, one of the things I've done, I've just washed my hands there, but one of the things I done as well is I just turned it over so I could put some streaky bacon on the back. You want to start with the breast up and do it and then turn it over. I like to cook my turkey breast down, because all these juices and the moisture is at the bottom and the breast is going to be the driest, so it's a really good top tip. Then you just want to take some little bits of foil and you want to cover just the legs of your turkey. And this is a tiny chicken, it doesn't have many legs, but the legs of your turkey. The reason you want to cover them in extra foil is those legs are sort of sticking out if it's a big turkey, and they're going to get the heat the quickest. So you just want to double foil them really, okay? So just give your legs an extra double foil. Then if you've got a top, you can just put your top on. If not, you can just wrap it in some silver foil, and then that's going in the oven just like that. You can just check it. The best thing that you can do is buy a little thermometer so that you can put it in your turkey to check. But remember, depending on the size of the turkey, depends on how long you're going to cook it. So make sure when you get your turkey, you're either going to get the instructions from the butchers or you'll have the weight of it. And I can give you the cooking times for each weight of each turkey, but you still want to check it. So just get a knife in there and have a look and make sure it's done, or use a thermometer. And that is how easy your Christmas turkey is to cook. Top tip as well, you can cook it during the day. Wake up in the morning, I'll wake up in the morning and put mine in the oven, take it out at lunchtime and leave it on the counter, and it'll just sit there and rest. Then I've got room in my oven to get everything else in, and you're putting hot gravy and you're serving it with hot potatoes and all, so it's not going to be freezing cold. So if you're eating mid-afternoon, get your turkey in first thing so that you can get it out, and then you've got your oven space. Okay, hope you have a fantastic Christmas day, and I hope your turkey works out. Take care, bye.